Hi friends, today we see sets. What is sets? In previous lecture we see what is set, type of sets, write the method of how to write the set. Okay. Now in this lecture we see Venn diagram. In chapter set, from chapter set Venn diagram, what is Venn diagram and how to draw it. Venn diagram. A British logician John Venn was first to use the closed figure. British logician used the Venn diagram. His name is British logician John Venn. John Venn. His name is John Venn. From his name, the name of diagram is Venn diagram. Okay. Suppose our set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set A. We can draw the Venn diagram of set A as this is set A 1, 2, 3, 4. It's called Venn diagram. Is a Venn diagram of set A. Okay. Suppose we have example set B is equal to x is less than or equal to -5 or less than or equal to 0 is an integer. Is an integer. Means x from 0 to 5. B is a set of number from 0 to -5. How to draw? We can draw square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, any shape. Okay. B. Set B. What is the element of set B? 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Okay. This is set B and it's called Venn diagram of set B. Okay. Now we see in previous lecture we see the universal set. What is called the universal set? It is a biggest set. Biggest set means suppose set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Set B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Okay. Then U set means universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means it contains all the elements of set A and set B. Hence it's called universal. Okay. We see the Venn diagram, universal set. Now we see complement of set. Complement. What is meant by complement of set? Complement means suppose A is a U is the set. Suppose U set number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A is a set having even number 2 and 4. Okay. Then complement. Denote complement by dash. Set A and A dash is the complement of set A. A dash is represented as A dash. It's called complement of set A. Write the element here. Set A having 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Remove 2 and 4. Write all the remaining elements 1, 3 and 5. It's called element. Element is called complement. Complement means negative. Here 2 and 4 we write here 1, 3, 5. Remove 2 and 4 and write all the elements from set U. Universal set. Okay. This is called complement of set. Complement of set. Now we see operation on set. What are the operations on set? In previous lecture we see listing method, ruler method. These are the writing method of set and types of set. Infinite set, finite set, equal set. Okay. Now in this lecture we see operation on set. First operation is called intersection. Intersection. Intersection on set. Suppose A is set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is set having element 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now we write intersection. This sign, U sign, means opposite U, is called intersection. This U is called intersection. Now write intersection from A and B. Intersection means common element from set A and B. What are the common elements? 2, 2, 4, 4. Okay. A intersection B is write as 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is the intersection of set A and set B. Means, what is meaning? Intersection means common elements from both the sets. Okay. And this sign is called intersection sign. Now similar, we can write union of set. Second operation is union. First is intersection, second is union on set. Union operation. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now we write union. A, this sign, U sign is called union. A union B is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is called union of set. Union on set. Intersection means write common elements and union means write all the elements from set A and set B. Okay. This is all about union. Operation on set, union and intersection. Okay. One type of set is remain here, disjoint set. Disjoint set. What is meant by disjoint set? Disjoint. Dis means different. Suppose A is set 2, 4, 6 and B is a set of 1, 3, 5. Means in both the sets, no element is common. All the elements are different from set A and B. No single element is same in both the set. All the elements are different. Hence, this set, those set are called disjoint set. When set A and set B, all the elements from these are different. No single element is common in both the set. How to draw the Venn diagram of this? Set A, 2, 4, 6. This is set A. And for set B, disjoint means no common. 1, 3 and 5. Understand? This is a disjoint set. Now, we solve the examples on intersection and union, disjoint set. Okay. One formula is remain here. Number of elements in a set. Number of elements. Suppose A is a set having 2, 4, 6, 8. And you write number of elements by this. N means number of element. A number of elements from A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Means number of elements in set A is equal to 4. Okay. When B set is equal to 1, 3, 5, then we can write number of elements in set B is 3. Number of elements in set B is 3. Understand? N means number. Number of elements in B is 3. Number of elements in A, 4. Okay. This is formula for number of elements. Number of elements A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements set B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay. This is formula to solve the examples. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay. Understand? We solve the example on this formula. Here all the parts of from chapter set are covered. Types of set, writing method, operation on set. Okay. Now we solve the problem set on set. Okay. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay. And press the bell icon to add the new videos. Okay. Sets. Now next is problem set. problem set of chapter set. Here first example is, if M is a set of element 1, 3, 5 and N is a set having elements 2, 4, 6, we find here M intersection N. Okay, what is the M intersection N? Intersection means common element. Now see here, M set having element 1, 3, 5 and in N set 2, 4, 6. Here no common element in both the set. Hence our answer M intersection N is equal to 5. 5 means null set, or we can write this in this way. It's called null set. No element is common. Okay. Now we see the second example. P is a set of element X is an odd number. Odd number set from 1, X less than or equal to 5. Means X is greater than 1 and greater than or equal to 5. Our answer is odd number set. Greater than 1 means we cannot write 1 here. Greater than 1, next odd number is 3. Next odd number is 5. Our number equal to or greater than 5 means we can write here 5. Means P is a set P is a set having elements 3 and 5 and X is an odd number between 1 to 5. Now the third example. P is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash up to 10. And our question is, what type of set is this? 1, 2, 3 dash up to 10. Our option is null set, finite set and infinite set. What is the answer? Null set. Null set means no element, but here elements. Hence it is not a null set. Infinite set means there is no limit. Here limit up to 10s. Means our answer is P is a finite set. Okay, P is finite set. Our next question is M union N. Union of M and N are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And given here set M as 1, 2, 4. Okay, and we find set N. We can find set N. Union means both the element from set M and N. All elements from set M and N. Here in M set elements are 1, 2, 4. What the remaining elements are 3, 5 and 6. Means our set N is 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6 are the elements from set N. Okay. Now next example is, if T is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and M is a set 3, 4, 7 and 8. And we find here T union M. Means union means all the elements from set T and M. When elements are repeat, don't write in 2 twice, write only 1 time. Okay. Here 3, 3 repeat, we can write 3 only 1 time. Our union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay. Our union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Next problem. Number of elements in set A 20. Number of elements in set B is equal to 28. Number of elements A union B is equal to 36. And number of elements A intersection B is equal to question mark. We find number of elements in A intersection B. Our formula, number of elements A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements A intersection B. Okay. Number of elements A union B is 36. Number of elements in set A 20. in B 28 minus number of A intersection B. Okay. Now add these two. 20 plus 28, 48. Means 36 is equal to 48 minus NA intersection B. We find NA intersection B. Now N intersection A intersection B, here minus, here take it this side, and then it becomes positive, and 36 here positive, take this side negative. 48 minus 36, our answer is 12. Means N number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 12. Okay, understand? Now today we see intersection, union, disjoint set, Venn diagram, and the examples on this formula of number of elements. Okay, in next lecture we see the word problems. Okay friend, bye.